Shouted Stupid presents the IPL Wars!
I have one more question for you. Okay? The first one, rather. Do you think that these coaches and the support staff, the fancy names that you have in the dugouts, do they help?
I don't know. I think most of it is just a marketing gimmick. I think at some level, in terms of strategizing for the game prior to the tournament and in the selection process, yes, maybe. But I feel by and large, I don't think in a tournament which has a format like the IPL, and even I don't think that the coaching staff adds much. Honestly, if you ask me, I don't think they're bringing too much to it. I mean. This year, look at Mumbai Indians, for example. You got Sachin Tendulkar, Ricky Ponting, Robin Singh, Jonty Rhodes. You've got Ocean's 11 sitting there on the bench, but they're amounting to absolutely nothing. Or maybe with Mumbai, it's a case of too many cooks spoil the broth. It's one of those things. But because at the same time, I feel like Rajasthan Royals with Dravid. I don't know. I get the feeling that someone like a Dravid being with the Royals has some kind of impact on them, but I feel by and large that it makes no difference. I mean, even if I have to look at the Super Kings, we've got Stephen Fleming as our coach, but I think Dhoni is the main man there. I don't think you put anyone else in Fleming's place. I think that's all right, but you can't replace someone like a Dhoni. Maybe that's also got to do with the kind of player and the kind of leader Dhoni is. But I think that. They don't have much to offer in terms of coaches and in terms of support staff. Maybe statisticians and strategists to a certain extent, but that's about it.
I would like to ask this question to Sachin Tendulkar. The kind of emphasis that they've placed on Gary Kirsten being in the dugout, with John Wright in the dugout, as opposed to the Chappell. Okay, we all know what India, the Indian team went through. During the Chappell regime as such. Coming to my Punjab, look at the first.
I'm agreeing with you when you're saying that coaches make a difference at an international level. When they're coaching India for say 2 years of time, and for things like that, I think that's when coaching and team management is important. But in a format like the IPL, where it's just everything happens so quickly. It's hardly on for any period of time. It's like a 40-day tournament.
Can I ask you a question?
I don't think the coaching has much to do with it.
How long back since you played cricket? Looks like a while. Because, the game remains the same, whether it's an IPL T20 as opposed to a World T20 Championship. You ought to go and play. And I agree with you that the players have to go and do it. It's not the coach. But at the end of the day, you look the difference that Sanjay Bangar got to the Kings 11 Punjab. Yeah. Obviously QT Zinta helps, but at the end of the day I think so, people like Bangar, people like Gary Kirsten, they get the team together, and more so for IPL, because look at it, leave it to Steve Smith to find out who Deepak Hooda is. He will be clueless. Who spotted Hooda? It was the training camp, it was the coach, and who brought the team together. This is where the team gets the value addition from the coach. And talk of the training staff, the support staff. Believe you me, Manik Aga is folklore when it comes to the Indian team. Sachin Tendulkar brought him from the Mumbai Ranji camp to the Indian team. Sachin has moved out, but the support staff remains the same.
I'm not disputing with you when it comes to international teams and international games, but I just think in a tournament like the IPL, I don't think there's much that a coach can bring.
I think that at the end of the day, you've got 20 players from various parts of the country and the world. If you need a person to put all of it together, considering the rapid games that they have, given the number of days that the captain enjoys as a rest time, I think so the coach and the training support team actually plays a very, very crucial part.
Please subscribe to our channel, follow us, keep getting our updates, and give us your feedback. Give us your feedback and let us know what you think. And until next time, goodbye.
a lassi to Punjab 11's victory on Saturday. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers, mate.